Hello guys, welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn that how to use text and HTML method in jQuery. I will show you that what is text and HTML method. So I'm going to write dollar two parentheses and after that dot box. I'm not going to use any selector in this lecture. You can use it as well. You can use it if you want, but I'm not going to use it. Dot after that, first of all, I'm going to use the text method. Write text and semicolon, and inside that text I'm going to write this text is coming from jQuery. So I'm saving the file. When I would refresh the page, you guys will notice that this hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4 will change to this text is coming from jQuery. So when I will click the button, you guys have noticed that this text is coming from jQuery. So this is how we use, if we want to change the text from jQuery, then we use the text method, right? And what does that HTML means? And inside that parameters, inside that strings, we need to assign the tags as well, right? H3 and the closing of H3, and I'm saving the file. When I'll refresh the page, you guys will notice that this text will convert to this text is coming from jQuery, but the text will remain same, right? So when I will click the button, so as you can see, this text is coming from jQuery. What is the difference between .text and .html? What is the difference between these two methods? By using text, you can just change the text of the any element of any tag, write h1 tag, h2 or h3. But by using HTML method, you can change the tag as well, right? These are the, as you can see that these are the h3 tags, but if I want to change these tags to h1 or h2, then I can do that using HTML method h1 and h1, right? Or yes. So when I click on this button, you guys will notice that these h3 tags will convert to the h1. So as you guys have noticed that h3 tags has been converted to the h1 tags. So this is possible by using the HTML method, but by using the text method, the text method just change the text. It will do nothing to the tags of the HTML like h1, or it cannot be changed from h3 to h1, but by using HTML we can do that. So guys, in this class we have learned that how to use HTML and text methods. So I will see you guys in the next lecture with some different methods. So stay tuned. Have a nice day.